Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the cool down effect or function on the Facetune application on your selfies, which is used to correct an overly red skin. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and select a picture from your gallery that you want to edit. After that, click on the retouch button down below, which is the second option, and slide to the right side of the screen down below until you find this cool down button. Tap on it. Now zoom into your picture for a more precise application, and then apply or brush over the red areas on your skin that you think are overly red, and you can apply this function and adjust it by the help of this slide down below or in the middle of the screen, so you can see how it changes and how it covers up your red skin, for example in your cheeks. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.